So this person wants to know, how do you stay motivated as a cleaning business owner, especially when clients are ending contracts and staff don't seem to do the right thing. All right. So this is a very important question. I have four things that I do to stay motivated. Number one is I understand and I know that my dependency is on God, right? For some, it may sound like a cliche, but I rely on God, because I believe He brought me here. I believe that He's the one that put the idea in my head. And, when I pray, when I meditate, I align myself with God and His purpose in my business, in my life. The number two thing is that I understand my purpose. Why I came here. I didn't come here. This was never a side gig. It was never a side hustle. It was a business. And I plan to grow it. I plan to be considered as a top cleaning business in my area, in the world, in my area of influence. So it was always a business to me. Number three is that I have friends and family who motivate me, and that is super important. You can motivate yourself for so long. There are people who also need to pour into you. From my wife to my children to my closest friends, people who will call and say, hey, you are such a good business owner. You're doing a good job. My frat brothers who will call me and just motivate me. It helps to know that what I'm doing is influencing other people. And then lastly, I read a lot and I listen to coaches on YouTube. So all those things in combination really helps me to stay motivated when the going gets tough. I hope this was helpful. See you around.